Good morning, Williams, Philippines. It is Monday morning, February 3rd at about 11:30 in the a.m. I hope everybody's having a good start to their week and that it's an easy one on you. Uh, sometimes you just got to laugh at life. It will mess with you just for fun. But hey, point of life is to live and try and make it as enjoyable as possible. Joyful. People want to talk about happy. I don't care about happy. Happy depends on happenings. It's the root word of that. Happy, a happening. So if you have something happen that you like the results of, you're happy. If you have something happen that you don't like, then you're unhappy. Care less. That's conditional, floating around. Joyful is a better thing. To just have a positive, joyful heart. To be a positive, joyful heart is a lot better than running around letting things run you up and run you down. A lot of folks need to remember to be happy, you know, be grateful and thankful. You know, I'm alive, I'm kicking, I'm not pushing daisies. It's not 20 below, it's not 120 above, and hey, nobody's shooting at me today. And the last time they shot at me, they was missing. I'm thankful they were missing. Yeah, you got to remember to live life and have fun with it. Yeah, enjoy your happy moments and survive your unhappy ones. But remember to have joyful heart. Be joyful in your heart. Don't let the petty things, don't sweat them. Because, hey, are they really yours to deal with? I mean, again, the right ear, the left ear, your heart, head, and God. That's your department. Pass that at somebody else unless God drops them in your lap. It's I don't need headaches and stress and such. Might be why I'm a happier person and I got a lot more joy in my life than most folks because I just don't worry about things like that, that are negative. If there's something I can do to make it better, I make it better. Past that, don't worry about it. Try and keep things going right. Uh, anyway, ended up not getting out to the yard this morning. I really wish I had of. A few things came up that prevented it. Life goes on. But yeah, could have been worse. Uh, Tomorrow I'm going to try to run over and, well, I think I might try to mow the front yard tomorrow and then run down the road to my post office box. I, I'm getting notifications. Somebody emailed me. It's probably, yeah, it's probably another promotion. We have three Wingle bats that need Baptsoeagling. So here's our promotion, 50 cents off. Yeah. Yeah, and don't you love how they promote things nowadays? It's like they raise the price $100 and then give you $100 coupon off. But it's on sale, sale, sale. Yeah. Uh, hey, I've got a bottle of water, only $5.99 after a $3 billion rebate. Yeah, you get a super discount. Spend the $3 billion. We'll collect interest on it for 6 months and then send you your yeah. It's funny how that happens. uh, promotions and such. I find most of what's going on in the way of business nowadays to be just a pain in the backside to listen to them. Commercials are some of the dumbest things I've seen lately. Yeah. And people wonder why I don't watch a lot of TV. I actually had TV on last night, and it was annoying. And what's even worse is, catching parts of the news. That just makes me want to turn it off. But I'm supposed to have it on for the customers. How am I supposed to have news on? So I put it on the local news till 7, and after that I run it over to uh, Newsmax. And that pisses a lot of people off too because they either want CNN or Fox. Well, the ones on Fox are more okay with Newsmax, but let me tell you, some of those folks that just love CNN, yeah, they might not be quite right in the head. I don't like CNN. Uh, yeah, pretty much I don't like any of them. Newsmax is the most tolerable of the news channels, and I can handle that. I'm just saying. Anyway, yeah, news. But yeah, I'm gonna go try to pick up some mail at my uh, anytime mailbox and pick because I got two of them there that both need to come here, and I'd prefer that they come here and not be shredded there. Uh, I want them, so go pick them up and get them. I'm hoping that my last thing I need for my taxes will come in today over there and or here. I forget which one I got it sent to. If it comes here, I need to make sure I put it to where it goes over there next year. Because I ain't gonna be here. Oh, am I so ready to get out of here? That's part of one of the reasons I want to go over there and check him out, and make sure meet the guy. Since he's handling my mail, I might need to know him. Uh, yeah. But yes, I need to go pick up the mail, drive there, and drive back. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been trying to do the. Yeah, it's attached. Trying to do the thing here. I figured out how to swap the face over to something else, and I got a one I like more. But I've got to put it on the charger after I get home, so that by the time I get ready to go to bed, I can put it back on. And I can tell you that it's too tight. I need a different band. I ordered a couple, and they're supposed to be here today. I hope they get here before I actually put that thing on and go to sleep. Uh, yeah, supposed to have a cover for my iPad come in. So hopefully I'll have everything in today in time to get that swapped out, the band swapped out, and maybe they'll be a little looser. I don't know. I got pretty big wrist. This one's a little smaller, but not that much. It's I don't have any holes over there on this one over here. I got one. So one, two, at the bottom and next to the bottom. And yeah, I can leave it at the bottom on this one and actually doesn't feel that bad. Uh, but if I tighten it up as tight as it is over on this one, yeah. So this, and technically, if I was wearing it right-handed, would be okay for the right hand. And I, on occasion, do wear a watch on my right wrist. Not very often, Usually it's because I'm doing something that, yeah, because I'm horrible with watches. I know this. I'm a disaster area for watches. That's why I don't wear them very often. And when I do, it's usually short term. But I'm trying to wear this one long term. We'll see. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a good weekend and lots of friends, family, and food. And that your work week this week is an easy one. And remember, don't sweat the small stuff. It ain't worth it. Do what you got to do to take and be right. Try to always remember to be right. You know, I'd rather be honest and right than dishonest and wrong. And I don't need, you know, somebody thinking it's okay to, force me to do something wrong. That's just not respectful. But hey, what goes on in life? Who said yet it was going to be fair or right? The only thing you can do is improve you, become the better you. And that will allow you to be kind of the shining light on the hill, Be the light. It's too many people are running around in darkness and sad and miserable, choosing to be sad and miserable. Don't have any joy in their heart. And Lord knows we need more people that are having a good day, a blessed day. You know, somebody I catch on a regular basis throws out prayers. I think everybody needs prayers. Now, I don't go throwing mine out in front of the camera, but some people do. Good luck and power to you. That's your step. More power to you. Me, I give my prayers and let them go to God. I don't air them out for other folks, but what they do with them is them. And if that's their calling, the way they feel they're supposed to do it, well, more power to you. We all have our choices in life, how we do what we do for we, the people, ourselves. And you can't really work on somebody else. It's you work on you. And the more you work on you, hopefully the better you get. Don't get me wrong, I know some days I'm a little rough on people because I look at them and I just wonder, where's the monkey that's supposed to be on their back flipping the switch between breathe in and breathe out? Because they definitely need one back there because they just that dense. But I'm not supposed to go pointing it out to them and laugh at them. I'm working on that because I'm supposed to be a more positive person. So, yeah, some days I do think, where's the monkey? It is what it is. Oh, another scam call. Ah, that thing's been going off. I think that's like the fifth or sixth one already today. Just since basically 8 o'clock. Yeah. They're trying to wear my ringer out's what it is. Kill the battery. But yes, we need to become better people. And just haranguing somebody, for because you feel like being mean to them is not right. So I try to avoid doing that. I may think it, but I try to avoid going there and telling them. Although some days I really do just want to ask them, where's the monkey? It has to be a pretty bad day before I go asking a person that. But I have. I try to avoid it nowadays, and I've got to a point where it's almost been a year since the last time I said that to somebody. Not the last time I thought it, but the last time I actually said it to someone. But again, I'm working on me. And I know that they're a child of God. And so I'm supposed to at least have the care and love for them of a Christian for another human. Some days it's hard. But then again, I remember I work on me. Don't worry about them. And that helps make it a lot easier. I just keep me going right the best I can. And hey, for some strange reason, it seems to have been working. I definitely like who I am today. Now, did I like myself much 25, 30 years ago? Nope. I wasn't that nice of a person back then. I've been a long haul for working on myself. It's taken a lot of help from friends and such, family, and I thank them for that. But yeah, work on yourself. Get better with you. Because if you're better with you, you're going to end up better with God. Build you. Because, we're supposed to show the light of Christ. So, yeah, if you ain't trying to build your life better and in a more positive direction, well, you might not be doing too good. And I pray for folks on that. Some days I have to stop and even pray for myself on a regular basis because, well, I still have some stupid street in me. Try not to let it get out too often. But hey, I've learned that I can just let go of it. Let God have it. And it's not my department. Let go, leave it alone. And hey, I don't have to go there. And I get to enjoy me being a happier person because of it and not causing more problems because of it. Don't have to sit there and argue with people. What is it they say about two people arguing? You can't tell which one's the fool, so they're both fools. Yeah, don't argue. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I hope your blessed day. I hope you get lots of friends, family, and food, and, well, lots of food. Yeah. I seem to lose 5 pounds and gain it back. Uh, I love food. I really need to get back on my diet hardcore, but I really hate diets. You know what a diet is, right? Die with a T at the end. Uh huh. Yeah. Anyway, later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.